At this table, everything begins. Here, Diego works tirelessly. He was selecting sustainable materials, crafting patterns, and designing new footwear patterns. In every stroke of his pencil, in every cut, you can feel the love and care he infuses into each design. Every pair of shoes born at this table has a unique story, ready to be told to the world. However, the true journey begins in the forests of the Badajoz region in eastern Spain. The cork oaks in this area provide us with this almost magical material, cork, which is durable, lightweight, and a thermal insulator. Our expert cork harvesters, like Jose Andres, manually obtain the highest quality pieces without harming the tree, which will gradually regenerate its bark and be ready to give us cork again 9 years later. Thanks to the ethical harvesting of this malleable, renewable, and 100% natural material, we create organic and ergonomic footwear that reduces CO2 emissions compared to other manufacturing methods and allows us to feel good from the first step. The harvested and crushed cork arrives at our factories, where we mix it with other elements like sulfur and rubber. Rubber is crucial because it gives us a more elastic, less sticky final result with better mechanical performance. The agglomerate is turned into sheets, which Antonio cuts into the desired shape with the help of presses. Then we move on to the vulcanization process. Using heat and pressure, we bond all the materials that make up the soles of our sandals. In total, Mitchell needs about 20 minutes to vulcanize and press a pair of soles. A leather insole is then cut and incorporated, which Joaquin refines, and Fernando packages for the next phase of production. Let's not forget Antonio, who adds the personalized touch by stamping each sandal. Meanwhile, Estefania punches out pieces of jute, a highly resistant natural fiber, with the help of machines to produce large quantities quickly. Next, the sole is joined with the other elements, which we carefully select and manufacture. Depending on the model, Pepe places the buckles, while Angel cuts the necessary leather material. Then, expert hands like Davinia's take care of the stitching. In closed footwear models, the assembly of the toe with the sole is done by stretching the material over a last to shape it, a process handled by Joaquin. Later, Mario subjects the sole to a sterilization process, and then a layer of non-polluting water-based glue is applied. Along with the pre-punched leather pieces, they travel via a system of tracks through an oven that reactivates the glue and makes the leather malleable, allowing Manu to mold, stretch, and attach the leather pieces. They are then sanded to leave a smooth base, and on this base, the rubber outsole reinforcement is placed, finishing the sandal assembly. Finally, the sandals undergo strict quality control according to European standards, ensuring they meet the high level of demand that makes us a reference. In the packaging process, Marga gives the sandals the final touches before they are packed in recycled cardboard boxes. Before being shipped to wherever you need them, they go through a final quality check by Salva. Combining tradition, innovation, and local materials, after 30 hours of work and passing through more than 30 hands, we fulfilled the dream we had in 1995 of designing comfortable and ergonomic footwear that adapts to us and is made with respect for nature and in an artisanal way. Now the Plakton sandal is ready to reach you. This is how we have managed to become a global brand, maintaining our artisanal essence and local roots without neglecting to care for the environment. Proud of our footprint, we want to take care of every corner of the world your sandals take you to. We are nature, we are life, we are Plakton.